Now let's move on to our other big story today. Expressing serious concern on the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, the Prime Minister today gave some advice to the state police. Learn how to control crowds in a non-lethal yet effective way. In the more than 2 months since the trouble began in the valley, for the first time, Parliament today debated the issue.
The public order dimension in the state has become a cause for serious concern. We need to revisit standard operating procedures and crowd control measures to deal with public agitations with non-lethal, yet effective and more focused measures.
The PM pointing out to police chiefs, including Jammu and Kashmir, that non-lethal weapons should be used against civilian protesters. It's a tacit admission that the state police and the CRPF under their command could have handled the Kashmir protests better. Children and teenagers have been amongst the 65 civilian deaths since June. The PM's call for the police to change comes at a time when various steps haven't really calmed protesters in the valley, nor ended the trust deficit in the minds of young Kashmiris. It's a concern the Lok Sabha finally took up today. The debate started to a well-attended house, but increasingly saw empty benches.
You see him in different forms.
The trickiest part for MPs is autonomy. The BJP wants the government to be cautious on the PM's promise of granting more autonomy within the constitution if all parties agree.
अगर एक ही ग्रीवेंस वो लेते हैं आज़ादी या ऑटोनॉमी, इसके अलावा इस आंदोलन के समय मुझे तो कोई तीसरी ग्रीवेंस उनकी समझ में नहीं आई, और अगर ये जेन्युइन ग्रीवेंस आप इसे मानते हैं तो मैं आपसे निवेदन करूंगा, बराए मेहरबानी इसको दूर करने के लिए एक ही रास्ता है कि आप उनसे साफ बता दें कि ऑटोनॉमी या आज़ादी ये एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है.
But for the national conference in power with the Congress in the state, the key word is autonomy. But what did not emerge is just what the government will do now to achieve a breakthrough to ensure peace.
आज मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के सबसे अपील करता हूं, धड़कनों को समझने की कोशिश करें. हम हिंदुस्तान से अलग नहीं होना चाहते.
Some MPs argued that more employment avenues would bring the youth to the mainstream, while others cited the example of Punjab, how a popular elected government could end militancy.
The debate on Kashmir in Lok Sabha was meant to convey that the whole of India was with the average Kashmiri, willing to listen to their problems, their grievances. But empty benches will certainly not help achieve this very much. In New Delhi, Sandeep Phukan, NDTV.